Elite shit, can they comprehend it? If niggas lost in the sauce, guess it's just not intended. It's not a gimmick, my stock to finish with high percentage. That check up till it draw on them like doctor visits. I don't get how they politicking about my position. I'm taking flights, they barely whipping and no suspension. It's kinda sad, they taking shots, ain't watch the limit. Fits fly, put them on lean, nigga, now drop the chicken. This light work, I guarantee you more again. Funeral with closed box and all mans. History for the black, I got a strong cancer. Guaranteed Morgan, they gas down, I'm on 10. Praying on my downfall, ain't looking at the sky neither. Back a nigga off for the plates, give him the high heater. Feel around like a mind reader, won't mind he's a goner if he roaming his Paris for fly leaders. Got me back in battle mode.
Clear this out for me, clear this out for me. Clear this out for me. Clear the stage, clear the stage. Clear the stage. Clear the
stage. Elite shit, let's roll.
Man, elite shit, nigga. Elite shit, nigga. I'm rapping the least down, nigga. Elite shit, nigga. Elite shit. Elite shit on each shit. Gang shit. No mixer, no mixer.
Two chains and two pistols, not just two pistols, two crystals. Extend those long and they pussy, copy me. I go hard my team, boy, fuck you talking about. I ride designer, sweaty this shit cost. I don't know what the fuck you bought. So you not moving out, but you over that. You get whack, well fuck you up. I done told you the same, this shit I got dope. All I hate with this cause I ain't never got caught. My swag go.
Come on y'all, let's go. Round one, get ready, flip the coin. Let's go. Take off.
Y'all ready? Yeah. Y'all ready? Hold it down. I said, who the fuck is you? Yo! Shut the fuck up! Hold it down. Hold it down. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? I said, who the fuck is you? You fucking peasant. While you was rehearsing your shit last night, I was probably sound asleep. Growing up, I was taught to watch out for wolves in sheep's clothing, but was never taught to watch out for wolves that are actually sheep. Don't get shit twisted. I'm giving you the shot. Better say it with your chest, or you a dead man to say the least. Let it ring like holy matrimony, or run for the rest of your life. So speak now, or forever hold your peace. This easy money. For the record, label me a killer. I take all you pussies to the slaughterhouse. I'm not a friend of them. The blade, slim, shady bitch. Get the point, I'll carve an Eminem, my merch shit. I said the blade, slim, shady bitch. Get the point, I'll carve an Eminem, my merch shit. Pussy, I don't do all the talking. You know that Eminem shit I just said? You getting money? Well, if I catch him in the Benz, Zeno, this bitch, or put a nail in the coffin. Now I ain't come to the face off because I was too busy loading clips to take his face off. But apologies for the fam and Cam regardless. This shit turned out alright, but I heard the elite said we gassed in Columbus. Stop with the pit bull. I'm finna lose my cool Vic. You promised me a dog fight. That's I said I'm finna lose my I said stop with the pit bull. I'm finna lose my cool Vic. You promised me a dog fight. That's not what I wanted, but fuck it. I stake out his crib. You know the greatest things come in life with patience. I said fuck it. I stake out his crib. You know the greatest things come in life with fuck.
Hold it down.
I said fuck it.
Hold it down.
I said fuck it. I stake out his crib. You know the greatest things in life come with patience. He pull up, I pop out. headshot, bury the body. I have a Migo underground like El Chapo escaping. I said,
Okay.
I said he pull up, I pop out. I have a Migo underground like El Chapo escaping. Fuck.
Let him get it back. Go ahead, Danny. Let's go, Danny.
Hold it down! What the fuck, yo? Hold it down! What the fuck are we here for? Hold it down!
Hold it down, hold it down. I said, I'll stake out his crib. You know the greatest things in life come with patience. He pull up, I pop out. Headshot. I have a Migo under. I said, bury the body. I have a Migo underground. Like, man, time. Fuck it. I can't.
Let's go! Migo Slum! Let's go! Shut the fuck up, bro! Let's go! Round one on Migo Slum. Shut, please. If y'all not gonna be quiet, y'all gotta move around. Please, round one, Migo Slum. Let's go.
I say out of all these hoe ass niggas, Danny G, you my favorite hoe ass nigga. But you give me lick vibes. And you said you a killer. I doubt it. Sneezy said he a real nigga. Till we see a real nigga shoot the real nigga out him. Now he got his white boy wasted. Hit him with that 5.7. Since his gun talk approved, he should know that's a Fortnite abbreviated. My lick from Springfield said, dang, you's a bitch. He don't carry them sticks. Or moving no shit. He just started battle rapping and Sneeze think he gonna blow. Got him feeling like he white boy Rick Ross shit. Don't give it to him free like a tester. This white boy really a bitch, so I ain't gotta show him I can just cut the white girl.
Take his head off. Take his head off.
Chill, bro. I said I can just cut the white girl. I'm a stepper. And you bang, nigga? You a GTA gang member? Well, it's hunting season. What you gonna do when I crossbow with a crossbow and leave arrows all over him like the last airbender and can't nobody save him? Can't nobody save him? Wigger? I done killed many men. I say can't nobody save him? Wigger? I done killed many men. You will never win. I don't give a fuck if you're Papa Doc, bitch. This ain't 8 Mile and you ain't Eminem, nigga. I'm it. Nigga, I'm it. Headshot. I'll put some rounds in this globe and open this free world up with a lot of shells and a lickety split. And who you think not stopping you? White boy, I'll beat you with this German 9 and give you the Z's like a swastika. I said, nigga, I'm the truth. It's all accuracy when I shoot. Migo Slime known for keeping a little rocket or a big stick that talk like I am Groot. I say, nigga, I will let you have it. For some chips, cheese, lettuce, and a little sauce, I ground beef and make a taco salad. Nigga, I want some different shit. And Hillbilly, you done made the wrong turn from Deliverance. Can you scrap? Can you scrap? Can you scrap? It don't matter, bitch, I got them straps. You getting whacked. With this Dillinger, even in church you'll get clapped cause it's quiet. This bitch sound like a rubber band when it snap. My nigga said shoot, then I'm airing it. Nigga, I ain't sparing shit, Danny. I've been holding this baby for a couple like a surrogate. You think I'm playing, G? Oh my God. You think I'm playing, G? Then play with me, Danny. The risk yours. I swear on my granny fake teeth, if you play with me, then Danny, I'm a dent yours.
It's about to be a bomb ass thing.
It's the weekend and the nigga just got paid.
It's about to be a bomb ass thing.
Bad bitch hit the line, said she wanna come parlay.
It's about to be a bomb ass thing.
Sitting on cloud nine, floating like Dr. J.
It's about to be a bomb ass thing.
Let me show you how the pimp game strong. Mackin' on a bitch ain't.
What's on you, big man? Yes, sir. Let's get it. Hold it down.
Round 2 on Danny G. Everybody hold it down, hold it down. This is a good one.
You ready? Yeah. I said.
Round 2, Danny G, let's go.
I said, you said you got the it factor like Pennywise. I said, you got the it factor like Pennywise. Bitch, you ain't no better than C3. It makes sense though, cause Pennywise lived in a sewer. And you just another clown that's beneath me. Yo, Sneezy. Bruh said he undefeated. I ain't feeling it either. Palm in the heater. M on my head, so I gotta get evil. Mars and Vegeta, what you saying? And if brother think he cooler, he belongs in the freezer. I'm pissed off. I'm pissed off. I said I'm pissed off. Brother think he cooler, he belongs in the freezer. I'm pissed off. Hippie said you lost a pistol, like you couldn't deal with the madness. Y'all marched in, the elite ate a bullet and left. You couldn't deal with the madness. I said, you battled 10 times and never left Cincinnati with this shit. Average opponents, no pay-per-view, no mentions from the greats, no battle out of state. When I met Cam in Columbus, he put me in his contacts to bring these little rounds for you to make you see. This shit instilled in me on my birth certificate. Yet everybody be questioning my G. So I told Cam, send that bread, and I guarantee this category death for trying to put himself in the same place as me. I said, and I guarantee this category death for trying to put himself in the same place as me. You didn't get a damn thing for this. Typical of a Migo to be working for free. I can pick my battle. I said you didn't get a damn thing for this. Typical of a Migo to be working for free. They make you battle. I can pick my battles. It already seems like I got these motherfuckers working for me. You want the city's respect. I want the world's respect. In a couple years, where do you think that you finna be? Stuck here while DC revenue and you can't battle nowhere else? Just this league, they set you up. Just this league, they set you up. They set you up. Your rounds, dry spot. I said they set you up. Your rounds, dry spots. I wet you up. Don't be shy or duck when you see me for all that shit you talk on FBG. I can censor losers like the FCC, motherfucker.
I hear you. Get it back.
Let's go. Ain't catch it later.
Time. Go ahead, bro.
Let's go, Slime.
I said in the rebuttal, I said in a flash, I could go Superman, cause I'm a cyborg. And fucking with me, shit can get deeper than a voice on back, nigga, wet him up. Turn this nigga to Aquaman. He's a bitch, so there's no wonder if this woman would even pop a man. See, that was different. See, that was different. I said, see, that was different.
No missing. Talk your shit.
I said, see, that was different. You might be the one that shots fired, but that's just this bitch. Welcome to Marvel. And I said, bitch, welcome to Marvel. And y'all be damn, nigga. If y'all niggas think coming down here and mentioning niggas' names, go get you superpowers like Shazam, nigga. I say, cause I'll get you popped like X-Men. Through a text, man. I don't give a fuck if the cops know I'm the sender. If I can't find you, pop your bitch. You better be hope he willing to avenge her. See? What? Let's go, man. See, that was different. But just to keep up with the scheme, bitch, I'm fireman with this Iron Man, but be trapping like Spider-Man on a web slinging things.
What?
Honest question. Honest question. Hey, do y'all believe this nigga bust guns?
No. Ain't no mission.
I don't believe, bro. I could just tell by the look of him. He get epileptic with the gun. He go up and get the shaking and seize up. I said, bitch, I'm in a whole different mind state. I'm ready to set it off in this bitch with this 40. I call Stoney and she in a band, Nate.
But I ain't hear his rounds before.
I said, I'm ready to set it off in this bitch with this 40. I call Stoney and she in a band, Nate. This bitch crazy. Nigga, after she pop you, she getting into the disinfectant like TT's baby. See, that was different. But just to keep up with the scheme for them Frankies, do him like Cleo and turn this bitch to the saddest scene. Nigga, I'll spray dude. But right now, I'm doing the carriage pack. Cause I just put up 10, nigga, hey Lou. Whoa! He said he wanted smoke till I pop some big shit grit. This bitch sound like Bobby on Big Drip. Wow! Leg shot. Left him on some crip shit. And this bitch smoking. I done fell in love with the lit bitch. Rebuttal. And all that tough shit you talked on FBG ain't gonna get you no luck. If you don't slide, then pussy nigga slide, or otherwise get a headshot if you don't duck. That was different. Different.
Talk to that nigga. Yo. Talk to him.
Yo, hold it down. Yes, we know. Talk to him. Be quiet.
Talk to him.
Be quiet.
I say, see, that was different. But just to keep up with the scheme, I let something small bang. Get a leave an O in his body the size of the O in King Von's O blockchain. Bitch, I gets busy. And it may not look like I got one on me, but I got a concealed Glock. It's a shot glizzy. I say, but you a rider. You a rider?
Let him rap.
You a rider? And you'll do anything for shots fired? Well, me and AR Green bet $100 that you won't put your hands up like Hitler and say white power. I'm the hitman. He dying is a bust,
I bust me some moves, I ran up some money, my clique full of wolves. I swung with piranhas, my knot full of blues. I kept it 100, my niggas was down. I prayed for a come up, I had to go get it. When looking
Round 3 on Danny G. Let's get it going. Round 3, last round on Danny G. Let's go.
Hold it down.
Hold it down.
Hold it down.
Yo, y'all gotta hold it down. This is the last round. Hold it down. Hold it down.
I said the chop ate his back. He caught 24. That's a Kobe clip. Then PS 5 Mo hit him on some Sony shit. All that fabricated, outdated shit is your only flips. You beat Shaka Montana and thought the world was yours. Well, now you standing in front of Tony, bitch. They say pressure bust pipes. And I had no motivation to burst mine. So I pistol whipped him. Gun across his forehead. Shit, it wouldn't be the first time. What's that shit about? You tatted that shit on your head, but when you rap, you popping lead, dodging feds, copping the best lawyers and getting out of trouble when the odds is against you. Bitch, I'm popping lead you, dropping dead, beat these cases. They judge you in purgatory, so hopefully God represents you. I got blood on my hands. I said I got blood on my hands. No, literally, I got blood on my hands. I stay with murder on my mind. Don't tempt me. But I won't be lonely for long, cause once I unload this clip, I won't be the only thing that's empty. Don't play surprise. If you play, you die. Try to run in my spot, I'm a Walmart greeter. As soon as you walk in, I'ma wave the 5. I came to As soon as you walk in, I'ma wave 8 to 5, I came to coach you, mold you, see you thrive. If I beat you, I'm supposed to. If you win, you live. I don't give a fuck if blood draw. Fuck blood type. I'ma take blood bank and they finna they finna question blood drive. I said, fuck blood type. I'm finna take blood bank and they finna reconsider blood drive. I ain't even finna shake your hand, cause I don't fuck with you. Big knife, slide up on him like, what's up with you? I said, big knife, slide up on him like, what's up with you? Surgical with it, but swiping like a scammer, I said surgical with it, but swiping like a scammer trying to cut tissue. That's your man, Siamese twins. He getting stuck with you. I said, y'all work, Siamese twins, he getting stuck with you. Y'all work together? I said, y'all work together? He getting bucks with you. Don't ever try to talk to me like a vet or an OG or try to play me like a rookie. Watch your mouth, cause you can never play me pussy. I'm not a killer, but don't push me. If you owe me bread, if I ain't paid in full, you'll wear that same patch as Ace Boogie. Now I ain't know what to talk about this round, so I figured out time.
Round 3 on Migo Slam.
Put the dirt on him. It's over. Hey, hold it down, y'all. I say that.
Round 3 on Migo Slam. Hold it down, y'all. Hold it down.
Hold it down.
I say, Danny, in real life, I don't make niggas salty. I make them super salty. I let them hustle all day, then I mask up and grab that stick like a Jabberwocky. Let the Tommies, nigga, I'll be a back of the head shot a somersault him, so give me a reason. And keep it real with these people. You ain't really with the drill shit. You only hang around Sneezy Bo for the look, nigga. You Slim Jesus. And I say, and for all the black people that got killed by the white man, that shit got me steaming. From Trayvon to Floyd, y'all all fallen angels, and now y'all living through a demon, nigga. I should bust your shit. I should load this chopper and give you a round for every time the cops ain't go to jail for that shit. Nigga, Cracker, I should do you like Emmett Till. Tie you to a tree and dump a pump in your shit, then grab the pistol and let it whistle at your white bitch. See, that was different. I say, see, that was different. But just to keep up with the scheme, bitch, I'm tired. But I still up and bust your shit. I gave 10-10 and on God Rose I'll park your shit. I say, nigga, we gon' get you all. I'm talking about shooting up precincts, blowing up synagogues. Nigga, we gon' hit them all. Whatever block you want, merry-go-round, we gon' spit them all with the weapons drawn. I say with the weapons drawn, hop out like Taz, shoot it up like Desert Storm. Cracker, I'm only here for my people. And if you ever try to kill yourself again, let me know so I can batter heaters, cause that's dumb shit. Nigga, you ever feel like tapping out, then start crashing out and let somebody body you, nigga. But if you obsessed with it, I can help with it. I'll sponsor it, nigga. Bitch, I'll blaze it. I say, bitch, I'll blaze it. I'll cook a whole clan of white boys. Lead a whole Caucasian. I say, yes, I'm a blammer, but I'd rather smack his white ass with the heat and leave Danny Tanner. Twin Taurus. Twin Taurus. I say Twin Taurus. I'll let the boys mount, let them rip, and watch these bitches empty out a full house. I say, I keep smacking him with the heat, but I only had to swing this bitch once, as you can see. It ain't gonna be hard for me to beat him to the white meat.
We ain't racist though.
Flashback. I say flashback. Shit, I gotta remind you. Glock 19, P89, look like we going into the 90s. And I ain't bragging, nigga, but I watch niggas' career spiral downhill when I start dragging niggas, man. What's up with it? Hey, y'all, this nigga didn't know he was dead. He said it was up. Then I upped. He got shot in his soul, caught up to what he said.
It's the motherfucking rap league. The one and only, and it's the cipher. The rap league. Elite shit, can they comprehend it? If niggas lost in the sauce, guess it's just not intended. It's not a gimmick, my stock to finish with high percentage. That check up till it draw on them like doctor visits. I don't get how they politicking about my position. I'm taking flights, they barely whipping and no suspension. It's kinda sad they taking shots, ain't watch the limit. Fits fly, put them on lean, nigga, now drop the chicken.